controversial it was.
Because it's been here before, right?
It has been here
That's
before,
right.
and people have gotten used to it. So.
Yeah, but it's a good
science,
learning
yes,
experience.
Sure is.
Yeah, it definitely looks neat. Their facial expressions and everything.
Yeah. Joseph in for Natasha tonight, and not a bad Tuesday.
It's really nice. This is going to probably be the nicest day this week. Thursday too, but then it gets cold a little bit later, so we have a lot going on after today. So enjoy some of the nice weather. And, you know, as we go into our Wednesday, we may see a raindrop or two, but I would still say the next couple of days overall are just perfect outdoor days. Enjoy the weather, go check out the waterfront park, take the dog out, whatever you have to do. It's going to be really nice. I do have a raindrop in the forecast tomorrow, and that might literally be it. It's not going to be very much as we go into our Wednesday with a very weak disturbance. I'll show you on the satellite where that is right now, how long it's going to take to get to us, and then what you need to know with that. It does get a little wet on Friday and into Saturday, and with that, some colder air is going to move on in from the north and through the gorge, and that possibly is going to bring in some lower snow elevations, likely not to areas like Portland, but we'll keep an eye on that as we go through the next couple of days. Here's what we have going on right now. Here's that weak disturbance. There's the cloud coverage. You already noticed that the rain is starting to increase and pick up there for Vancouver Island and areas of the Olympic Peninsula. Well, this is going to be moving our direction as it does. That chance for some rain is going to increase, and then by the time we get into early tomorrow morning, I think a few isolated rain showers through the valley and up towards areas of southwest Washington are possible. There's all this colder air up to the northwest through the BC, and that's going to start migrating and finding its way down to the south as we go through the next couple of days, eventually leading to some cooler air and colder conditions for us here in the Willamette Valley, but definitely eastern Washington and the Columbia Plateau. So watch what happens. It starts getting that dark blue and then eventually that purple by the time we get into Saturday and Sunday. That's going to be that cold winter air that's going to eventually make its way through the gorge to areas of Portland. And if it connects with some moisture, we might be seeing some lower elevation snow, 1,000 feet, maybe lower than that, heading into Saturday morning or so. Okay, so let's talk about snow. I mean, you get to March, you just have to bring up that word, and then everyone starts talking. And we don't see it very often for us here in Portland, although it's possible. Average days of snow for March, 0. Sometimes we get a very light amount. We did have some snowfall last March. The most 7.6 inches, 1951, March 8th. You might remember that. The latest snow of the season, April 19th, 1968. So it's not unheard of, but we'll keep an eye on it. I'll tell you this, in January when we had that chance for some snowfall, the air was actually even colder than what we're seeing on the models right now. So the chances are very slim. Okay, FUTURECAST here. I'll take you through the next couple of days. Here's early tomorrow morning. We'll pause it. Here's 8:30. Might see some rain on your morning commute. Might see some snowfall for the higher elevations there too if you're heading over towards Government Camp, and then of course the mountains off to the east, but dry for Central Oregon, and your day will likely stay dry. We get into the afternoon hours here, and it stays dry across the board. Thursday looks like it's going to be a pretty nice day on Thursday. Here comes Friday, cooler air trying to show some heavy snowfall for the mountains, getting pretty close to a mix there for the valley. Here's early Saturday morning. Notice that hole right there. The thing is, we get that southerly breeze, and that will really keep us warm. At least warm enough to avoid snow. So that's going to be what we keep our eye on the next couple of days. So for now, I have us at 42 degrees for a high on Friday, Saturday 43. Gets a little bit warmer as we get into next week. But yeah, next couple of days are going to be pretty nice at least.
Try to see that full moon while you still can.
Yeah,
Yes,
good
gorgeous.
point.
We had some wonderful photos. Yeah, send them in.
Thanks, Joseph. Airlines rolling